Hi, I'm Daisy Dai. I'm currently a third-year DVM candidate in the College of Veterinary Medicine. I'm the president of Student American Veterinary Medical Association, and I'm a member of the AVMP Club, which is the Asian American Veterinary Medical Professional. And I'm a peer mentor, a tour guide. I'm also a student ambassador for the Cornell Vet Admissions. And I'm a student technician for the Swanson Wildlife Hospital here at Cornell. And I'm also an Engaged Cornell Scholar and a Morris Animal Foundation Scholar. My presidency in SAFMA, really I am there to build community. I'm the main contact for students, and I serve as a bridge between the administration and the student body. So I go to Dean's meeting every month, and I organize a lot of e-board meetings and just ensure that the school is running well with our student body, and also listening to our student concerns and needs. As a student technician in the Swanson Wildlife Hospital, I was able to do treatments and handle animals, and also just doing the daily hospital maintenance. Being in the wildlife hospital really helped me see what is required of animal care, and especially when the wild animals, they don't have anyone to take care of them. So we became the primary caretaker. I do find fulfillment in being able to provide the treatment to injured animal, especially the ones that can't really speak for themselves. My role as a peer mentor is being their cheerleader, being their friend, and being someone that they can go to when they're having a difficult time in vet school. And I think a lot of my role is to encourage them and also provide a lot of support mentally, physically, or emotionally, and refer them to resources that could actually help them. I want people to feel like they're welcome here and that they are included here. So my cat's name is Manu. It comes from Latin manu, hand, because he has extra fingers. Coming home to Manu is something that I look for every single day, because he is just my comfort animal. He gives me a lot of emotional support. I love just holding him and just telling him about my day. I love being a cat mom. It's just a part of my identity now as well. After Cornell, I hope to go into small and exotic animal emergency, and also creating ways to increase the accessibility for different communities, especially the Asian American community. And I want to give back to the future vets, give back to my community, and also raise up, future leaders of veterinary medicine.